Lesson number 2, Computer Hardware and Software. In this lesson, you will learn about the basics of the computer system, mainly computer hardware and software. At the beginning, history of the computer and main generations will be discussed. Then main computer hardware components and basic computer classification with examples are discussed. In the latter part, system software and application software will be discussed. Moving to the lesson, let's discuss about the computer. What is a computer? It is a device takes information or inputs, process it according to set of instructions called as a program, and gives back a result or output. It can be represented as IPO model. Here I refer to inputs, P refer to process, and O refers to outputs. Below diagram shows the IPO model, which is a functional graph that identifies the inputs, outputs, and required processing takes required to transform inputs to outputs. Particular input, output processing, and storing hardware are listed below. The computer as we know it today had its beginning with a 19th century English mathematics professor named Charles Babbage. He designed the analytical engine, and it was this design that the basic framework of the computers of today are based on. This is a brief history of computers.
History of computers. 2500 BC. The abacus. Abacus is the first known calculating machine used for counting. It is made of beads and rods. It is mainly used for addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. 1614 AD. Napier's bones. Napier's bones was invented by John Napier, a Scottish mathematician. A set of bones consisted of 9 rods, one for each digit through 9 and a constant rod for the digit 0. 1632 AD. Slide rule. It was invented by William Woddard. The slide rule is embodied by the two sets of scales that are joined together with a marginal space between them. 1633 AD. Pascaline. It was invented by a French mathematician philosopher Blaise Pascal. It is believed that it was the first mechanical and automatic calculator. It consists of gears and levers. This is a predecessor to today's electronic calculator. 1801 AD. Jacquard's loom. Invented by Joseph Jacquard and demonstrated in 1801. The Jacquard loom is an attachment for powered fabric looms. It uses a chain of punch cards to instruct the loom on how to make intricate textiles. 1822 AD. Difference engine. By 1822 the English mathematician Charles Babbage was proposing a steam-driven calculating machine the size of a room, which he called the difference engine. 1830 AD. Analytical engine. This calculating machine was also developed by Charles Babbage in 1830. It was a mechanical computer that used punch cards as input. It was capable of solving any mathematical problem and storing information as a permanent memory.
Each one of the 5 generations of computers is characterized by a major technological development that fundamentally changed the way computers operate. Most major developments from the 1940s to present day have resulted in increasingly smaller, cheaper, more powerful, and more efficient computing devices. Quickly go through the evolution of computers.